Today, many people believe that they must move to a major city to start their own business, but the reality of the situation is actually quite different. Nowadays, significant business activity is emerging in villages and small towns, especially in the agricultural product sector. Yes, today many farmers sell their produce as it is a low price, but they may find revenue improvement opportunities by processing raw materials into value-added products. Moreover, today various value-added products are being produced from agricultural products, but today we are going to take a detailed look at the top 8 agro-based manufacturing business ideas that have demand in many regions. So if you are planning to start an agriculture-based manufacturing business, watch today's video until the end.
But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas.
Number 1. Coconut Value-Added Products Business. Coconuts are readily available everywhere. However, since most people limit themselves to selling only raw coconuts, they miss out on opportunities for additional profit. Therefore, this may improve revenue potential if executed properly by utilizing them to manufacture products such as coconut oil, coconut powder, and coconut chips. Also, as health-conscious people today are increasingly incorporating coconut-based products into their daily routines, market demand has shown growth in some segments. Moreover, the machinery required for this venture is moderate in scale, and since raw materials are easily available locally, costs can be managed effectively with proper planning. However, you need adequate training to operate the machines. Number 2. Herbal powder manufacturing. Herbal powders are widely used in various fast-growing sectors, including nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food and beverages. Therefore, using herbal ingredients available near you, you can prepare products like herbal powders using simple herbs like drumstick, neem, aloe vera, and basil, using a processing and grinding machine and supply them directly to the market. However, since these products fall under the categories of cosmetic and Ayurvedic medicines, you must strictly adhere to the government's rigorous GMP or Good Manufacturing Practices regulations. And nowadays, people are increasingly preferring to use natural and chemical-free products, so venturing into this endeavor seems like a practical and viable option. Number 3. Tomato processing business. During the tomato season, prices often plummet drastically, resulting in significant financial losses for many farmers. However, by processing them, products can offer margins depending on cost control and market pricing. Therefore, you can use small-scale machinery to process raw tomatoes into commonly used value-added products like paste, ketchup, sauce, pulp, and powder, thereby turning a perishable product into a long-lasting product. Furthermore, these items see repeat purchase patterns in many established markets, particularly where distribution is already in place. However, tomatoes are highly perishable. Therefore, it is essential to process them immediately after harvest, which creates significant time pressure. Number 4. Corn-based products manufacturing. Corn is a very versatile ingredient and can be used to make a wide range of products, including corn flour, cornmeal, processed sweet corn, corn flakes, corn chips, popcorn, and ready-to-eat snacks. The trend of eating gluten-free snacks is growing rapidly across India, especially among the youth and working population. Furthermore, while the cost of raw maize remains relatively low, the retail price of processed corn-based snacks is typically higher than raw material cost, depending on processing and branding. So you can consider starting a corn-based manufacturing business. Then you can start with local branding and a small-scale distribution network and gradually expand this business over time. However, establishing a large-scale manufacturing facility would necessitate a substantial investment in specialized machinery. Number 5. Banana-based products business. Banana production in India is substantial, particularly in South India. However, a significant portion of the harvested yield is often wasted due to a lack of proper utilization. So you can turn these potentially wasteful resources into useful products by making products like banana chips, banana powder, and banana flour. Today, the market has shown growth in certain regions, particularly where distribution networks are established. especially where distribution is established, from local consumption to international exports. The cost of raw materials for this venture remains low. Furthermore, the business can be initiated on a small scale using basic machinery, with operations subsequently expanded and scaled up gradually. However, the price of bananas varies greatly due to location and transportation costs, affecting the consistency of production costs. Number 6. Rice value-added products. Rice serves as India's staple food. Furthermore, the demand for rice and rice-based products remains consistent in many parts of India, especially where consumption is high. So you can use rice to make products like porridge, aval, noodles, flour, idli, dosa flour, and various snack types and sell them in the local market. Moreover, since these items are part of people's daily consumption, they are generally stable in many markets, though they can vary. The infrastructure required for manufacturing these products, depending on the specific varieties you intend to produce, typically comprises rice milling machinery and shaping or processing equipment. Furthermore, techniques such as drying and mechanical grinding required to produce high-quality, value-added products are costly, energy-intensive, and labor-intensive. Number 7. Production of wheat-based products. Wheat is a staple food grain consumed in every household. However, the market for processed wheat products is significantly larger in many cases. In addition to wheat flour, that is atta, you can manufacture a diverse range of products such as semolina or suji, refined flour or maida, noodles, and various types of bakery items. Since these products are consumed on a daily basis, the demand is generally stable in many regions. Furthermore, their distribution can be managed quite easily at a local level. This business can be started on a very small scale. A flour milling machine and a few basic processing tools are all that is required. By consistently maintaining quality and hygiene standards, you can gradually build customer trust and repeat buyers in your local market. Over time, you can also gradually build your own unique brand. Number 8. Cold-pressed oil businesses. Cooking oil is a staple product used in almost every household. Consequently, its demand remains relatively stable throughout the year in many markets. Moreover, today people are moving away from refined oils and are willing to pay higher prices for natural alternatives. So you can start small-scale cold-pressed oil production of groundnut, sesame, coconut, mustard, sunflower seeds, almond, olive, and castor oil using an oil press machine. The setup can be simpler compared to large-scale industries, although certain oil types may require specialized machinery and higher investment. By maintaining trust and quality, this business has the potential to emerge as a strong brand in the long run. Moreover, since these oils are natural and unprocessed, they have a short shelf life and thus require stringent storage conditions. So friends, these are several practical agriculture-based business ideas where consumer interest and market activity has been observed in various regions, though demand varies by location and segment. However, please understand one thing clearly: every business requires effort, planning, and patience. This video was created for educational purposes only. Actual profits, income, and success depend on individual effort, location, and execution. So before you get started, do some market research in your local area. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.